She's not just the person who come up and preach on a Sabbath or talk a lot at board meeting. She's not just a bag of mouth. Action lady. Amen? And she saw the challenge of our young people in this area and called some people and said, we need to get them tablets because without the tablets, their education won't digest. They have to get online. And some of them don't have the equipment to get online. And I'm particularly proud of this because I know some bigger churches with enough money, and if you tell them about tablet, they think it's friends you're talking about, or panel. Yes. But we at Ramble, know the difference between tablet that get you online and Fenzik. All right, so I'm particularly proud that we can give to 10 members of this district, or this church, Ramble Seventh Adventist Church, tablets to help them in their education. Members of the community, the district, and Sister Hibbert, please come up and tell us a little more, and let us see the tablet. It's not just tablet, it's tablet with credit to go online and other accessories, cover for them, and let me see, let me read it for you. Is this iPad Air? What's wrong with you people laughing about? I don't understand you people. Come on. Maybe I need glasses, you see. So, is that what it says? It says iPad Air? iPad 11? Anyway. Sister Hibbert will read it. So we know that when Ramble gives out anything, is good gifts. Amen? Yes. All right. Okay. So it's the Sabbath, but you don't have to be so, straight and cerebral and serious. This is big stuff. Yes. So give your elder a round of applause. So, I'm going to ask you, you mentioned 2 names to me, so I'm going to ask you to sit about it.
Okay. All right. My main sponsor this morning is Sister Zelpha Powell. Right? When I put the case to her, she was really on board with me. And she said, I will see what I can do because I want to see those children back in the community of Ramble, right? To be online. And I tell you, within 2 weeks, she really worked on this project for me. I also with Sister Lorna, it's Lorna Johnson, but it's a part of the Powell family too, right? So Lorna to call Brother Powell, patriarch. Right. Brother Powell who have started this church and you have grandchildren still going on. Do continue the work. So it's Lorna and Zelpha Powell, and I have a niece-in-law too who really helped me to contribute to it also. Right? To get all of these tablets out this morning with the case and with the accessory, and all of these tablets have a $200 credit from Digicel. Right? And I hope and trust that for those who don't have a chip, I know some of you may have a chip, a SIM card. All who are here this morning, all of you have SIM cards to go with the tablet. Show me who don't have a SIM card. Let me know who don't have a SIM card. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 persons here out of the 10 without a SIM card. Well, after we break, you can come to me, right? Right. All the tablets here use SIM card. But maybe some of your parents can find a SIM card already. And those who don't have a SIM card, just have to, with you poor person, we see that you get a SIM card to go with your tablet. I'm just asking you please to take care of them. We invest in them. I want to see our children, right? Everybody have a chance. And that is my desire. You know, everybody must get a chance in life. Right? And I know that some people, what really happened, those who on PATH program receive tablets from their school, but we have some poor that children on PATH and no, not at all. And those parents find it hard to get their children. Not to say they don't love their children, but they know finance. And they would love to see their children do their best. But at this time, we give them thanks, who Zelpha Powell and Lorna, and also Shauna, as you usually call her, not over Shauna, just abroad, who really assisted us this morning. I'm so happy and be grateful this morning so that we can give our children these tablets. And if anything else comes, some people have promised me for next year. So things can happen for the coming year, 2021. Just let me know and see how much we can move from here again. Thank you very much.